Honorable Member.
Because, sir, it is very evident from the minister's answer that they have no idea about what outcomes are being created, no idea about what is happening on the ground as far as Mudra loans are concerned, no idea why NPAs are so many, what is the reason for the high percentage of NPAs. My question again to the minister is, what is the mechanism you have to monitor the way in which these loans are disbursed, what rates they are being disbursed, what harassment people are going through because of recoveries, and what is the outcomes which is coming out of Mudra loans?
Permit me to answer this question, sir. The honorable member was right in saying the interest rate is a range that we've given, that it is in the public sector banks, it's about 9.15% to 12.80%. And for the private sector banks, it's about 6.96 to 28%. But we do have a mechanism through which we understand what is going on the ground. Every year data is collected and banks do follow it up. But of course, this recovery harassment is something which I want to very clearly put it on the table. Very welcome if the honorable member has instances of harassment going on somewhere, which we will definitely attend to. But no, the NPA numbers I'm willing to give here, because the honorable members asked, I will certainly give it. But recovery harassment is something which we've been very closely monitoring, and I can say for sure the public sector banks are very closely monitored, so also the NBFCs. But as I said, if there are cases, we are very willing to hear it. Sir, the NPA issue, we do have a system with which we collect the data. I want to put it before the honorable member through you, sir. The PM Mudra loan NPA on disbursement, and I will give it for every year since 2018-19, 19-20, 20-21, up to 23-24. So if anything, the NPA is only coming down. The public sector bank NPA on disbursement for Mudra loan was 3.76 in the year in the year 18-19. Gradually, it did go up to about 4.8 in 19-20, 20-21, it went to 4.77. But now it's back to 3.4, in fact, lower than what it was at the beginning in 23-24. Now, private sector commercial banks, sir, Mudra loan NPAs were 0.67% in 18-19. It went up to about 1.77, 2021, the COVID year. Now, even for them, it's come down to 0.95%. RRBs also give Mudra loan. They had a 3.86% in 18-19 as NPA at disbursement, which has come down now for the RRBs to 2.47%. Small finance banks also give Mudra loans, and for them, NPA on disbursement is 3.38%, which went up to 3.09%, which actually reached to 0.39 during 2021, highest being in 18-19, but that has come down to 0.76%. So I want to highlight the fact that, sir, even state cooperative banks are giving PM Mudra loans. NBFCs, whose rate of interest is slightly higher than the public sector banks, even there, the NPA on disbursement was in 18-19 0.47, which has now come to 0.22. Overall, on Mudra loans, sir, it is at 2.10%, the NPA on disbursement.
About the ways in which the Mudra loans are disbursed and monitored, there has been a lot of complaints about the way the loans are dispersed to the kind of beneficiaries and also a lot of NPAs. So they have answered my question. I had asked for the average rate of interest in all these Mudra loans, for which a range is given, which ranges from, if I take a public sector bank, it is 9.15 to 12.80, and if a private sector bank, 6.9, 6.28%. So my question is, what percentage of the loans are in the high end, 20 plus 28, and which means that a huge amount of interest is being charged? And what percentage has gone as NPA? Is there a mechanism from the government to monitor the outcomes of these Mudra loans? And also why there is so much of NPA coming in the Mudra loans?
माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं माननीय सदस्य को बताना चाहता हूं कि जो
उन्होंने विषय उठाया है कि ब्याज के दर में अगर देखें तो एक अत्यंत संवेदनशील प्रकरण है। मैं इसको विस्तार से सदन के पटल पर रखना चाहता हूं कि हमारे उपदेष्टा प्रधानमंत्री जी ने सारे पहलुओं पर विचार करने के बाद मुद्रा योजना प्रारंभ किया था। ये योजना मुख्यतः उन व्यक्तियों के लिए है जिन्होंने आज तक बैंकिंग सिस्टम से कोई भी लोन नहीं लिया है। यही कारण है कि सरकार ने किसी प्रकार का जैसे कोलेट्रल या किसी विशेष बैंक आदि का दायरा तय करने की कोशिश नहीं की है। इस योजना में कोई भी व्यक्ति जो अपने किसी भी प्रकार का व्यवसाय शुरू करना चाहता है उस अपनी सही योजना के लिए बिना किसी कोलेट्रल के अपनी पसंद के किसी भी बैंक या वित्तीय संस्थान से ऋण ले सकता है। ब्याज दरें जहां तक RBI के निर्देश के अनुसार 1994 से ही डीरेगुलेटेड है, यह सरकार तय नहीं करती है। सभी बैंक अपनी ब्याज दरें स्वयं व्यावसायिक हितों के अनुसार तय करती हैं। बैंक ब्याजों के दरों की ऊंची अथवा ज़्यादा होने पर उधारकर्ता को सरकारी बैंकों से कम दर पर लोन लेने की पूरी स्वतंत्रता है। लेकिन ध्यान देने वाली बात यह है कि मुद्रा योजना के ज़्यादातर लोन कम ब्याज दरों पर वितरित की जा रही है।
ஏழை குழந்தைகளின் அடிப்படை கல்விக்காக உதவ single teacher schools.org இணையதளத்தை தொடர்பு கொள்ளுங்கள்.